If you're looking at the sheet attached in the email, you'll see we have 4 new letters in this chapter and a very tricky vowel sound that we'll cover in the following video. So for this chapter, we are reviewing the letters we know so far and 4 new letters. So the letters we know so far include shin, bet, tav, lamed, mem. I can't find a final mem. Final mem. Resh and hey. The new letters for this chapter are nun, final nun, aleph, and ayin. Remember, whenever aleph and ayin have a vowel sound underneath or above, we will hear the guttural sound of those letters. If they're in the middle of a word with no vowel sound attached, as we'll see further down this page, they are completely silent. So beginning line 1. No, no, na, na, non, non, known, known. Line 2. Ah, 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 on, on, on. Notice that final nun and these vav vowel sounds can look very similar. Just make sure you see that the final nun comes further down than the other letters next to it. And also, final nun is only going to come at the end of a word. Line 3. En, ain, ain, nen, nain, nain, en, ain, ain. And then this is a typo here. I would take this out. I pronounce it the way I'd like it to be pronounced. But if you already know that this is an E vowel sound, it's ayin. But that is a typo. I apologize. Line 4. Nama, naman, shaman, ranan, banan, haman, tanan. Line 5. Le'a, re'a, te'ra, she'ra, Neshan, Beishan. Notice that this aleph and this ayin both have vowel sounds underneath each of them. So we do want to hear the whatever vowel sound is attached to them. So in this case, it's an vowel sound. So that's what we have. Le-a, re-a. And then here in aleph and here in aleph, both are at the end of the word. It's as if they're not even there. There's no vowel sound attached to them below or above. And so in this case, they are completely silent. Te-ra, she-ra. Line 6. Asher, taresh, baresh, aren, nalen, namer, barel. Line 7. We have 3 syllables on this line, so I want you to look at the entirety of the word before sounding it out. So what I mean by that is instead of going ra, shan, I want you to think about that in your head. Do it that way in your head, but recite it as ra, shan, la, sham, ta, sham, Hamanan, Balashash. The reason I want you to read through the entirety of the word is because I don't want you to get into the headspace of breaking down every single syllable, or else that's how you're going to continue to read. And then it just won't sound correct. It'll sound like 3 separate words instead of 1 word. So instead of ba, la, shash, ba, la, shash. Line 8. No Shan, Ro Tom, Ho Van, Mo Shan, Ho Shan, Lo Sham. Tricked myself up. So the reason I know this ayin and aleph aren't sounded, a couple reasons. There's nothing attached to them above or below. They are coming as part of this first syllable in ho, hey, ayin, and lo, lamed aleph, with that 1 dot on the upper left-hand corner of the hey and of the lamed respectively. Okay, so I know I'm going fast, one at a time. So ho is the first syllable here. Dot on the upper left-hand corner of the hey. Ayin is silent. Ho. The next syllable is a shin with an ah vowel sound, followed by a final nun. Shan. Ho shan. Ho shan. Same thing here. The aleph is silent because there's no vowel sound above or below it. This dot on the upper left-hand corner goes to the lamed, and that is why it's lo. And then because aleph and ayin are just generally silent, if there's no vowel sound with them, it's silent in this case as well. So lo, sham, shin with an ah vowel sound, and we're closing to the consonant of the final mem. Lo, sham. Lo, sham. Hopefully that helps. Line 9. Ne'eman, le'eshal, ne'ehav, le'eshan, re'enan, he'eshar. Again, take these slowly on line 9. Read through the entirety of the letter vowel combination. Again, because they're not words, they're just letters with vowels attached to them. And really follow through. If you're trying to break it down further, name the letters. So we have a nun, an aleph, a mem, and a final nun. Underneath the first nun, we have vowel sound. Underneath the aleph, we have an vowel sound. And underneath the mem, we have an vowel sound. So one at a time. Ne, man, closing to the final nun. Ne'eman. Hopefully it'll get faster for you. Line 10. Lo tash, sho ta, sho ran, ho ra, to wrote, sho wrote, mo wrote. And I will see you in the next video for chapter 5 review.